We can do many things online, including order our grocery shopping. Hello, I'm Stephen, and today I'll be ordering my shopping online and talking you through the process. Most of the major supermarkets have online shopping. I'll be shopping with Tesco. First thing I need to do is create an account. I go to New to Tesco and register. It's very simple. I input my details, including my address, and I'll be ready to go. Having input my address, I can now book a slot. I want my shopping to arrive at the weekend, just after payday. As be aware, payment for your shopping will be taken the day of your delivery, sometimes the day before. I've chosen this slot between 9 and 1 o'clock. My shopping is scheduled to arrive between these times. This doesn't mean it will definitely come at 9 AM, but it should arrive before 1 PM. So I will make sure I am at home and ready for the order. So I'll now begin putting items in my basket. Items have been split up in sections, just like they would be in store. I've added items, and as you can see here, some of these items are part of a deal. In this instance, I decided I don't want the offer, but you may decide differently. If you can't find an item just by browsing, you can also search for it. For example, I'm going to search for apple juice, and here are all different kinds of apple juice available. I can arrange these results by relevance to the search term and by price. I can also filter these results by category, brand, or any dietary restrictions. I'm going to go with this one. I click on add, and it's now in my basket. One of the benefits of having my shopping delivered is that I can order bigger items I couldn't carry home. For example, I've got a cat, so I will be ordering 2 big boxes of cat food. Large boxes that I could not carry home myself from the store. For now, I've added everything I want, and I will now submit my order. On the day of my delivery, staff in store will go around the store and pick my items on my behalf. If something I've ordered is out of stock, then they will select a suitable substitution. However, I can say, do not substitute an item and I will not receive anything. For example, I've ordered cat food, and my cat is very particular and does not like any other kind apart from this one. So I can say, do not allow substitutions, and nothing will be sent, and I can get that from the store myself another time. I've submitted my order, and it will arrive in my slot. I can also amend my order or even cancel it up until the night before. The cut-off time varies between stores, but in this instance Tesco's is 11:45 PM. On the day of my slot, once the staff have prepared my order, I will receive an email or a text letting me know if any items were unavailable or any other issues about my order. They will also confirm the cost of my order. The price you pay is the price the items were the day of delivery, not the day you submit your order. For example, if a tin of beans is £1 today when I submit my order, but is 90p on Sunday the day of my delivery, I would pay 90p for the beans. If you have any issues with your order, for example, the order is late or you have to leave the house last minute, then you can call the customer service number and let them know. Also, do be aware that your local store might not be the one that is fulfilling your order. Do not turn up at that store expecting you can pick up your order instead of receiving it at home. Many stores also have an app as an alternative to the website that you can use on your mobile or tablet. For example, you can make your order on one of the tablets we sell in our store. By shopping with us, you are helping us create videos like this and our ICT classes, helping us support people in the modern digital world. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it, and please also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for supporting Connect.